Hey bitches, this is Sunel with Weslo's Home-O-Erotic Cookbook, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the whole enchilada. What you're going to need is a large pan, a small pan, and a cookie sheet. So now we're going to add your salt and seasoning. While the meat browns, I'm going to serenade you with a song. No existe un momento del día en que pueda apartarme de ti. So while the meat is browning on low temperature, we're going to start frying our tortillas. We add our oil. We're going to fry it on each side just for a second. So now that our meat is almost done, we're going to add 90% of the onion and save some for later. And now, once you've done that, we're just going to stir it a bit. And tortillas are done. We are going to dry our tortillas a little bit, so it looks like a little bit of a lube explosion. Let's add half a spoon of beef. We're going to pinch some cheddar, throw it up there like that. And then we're gonna get our toothpicks. So now that we have this all set up, we're going to warm up our enchilada sauce. And when you have it all nice and ready, just add it to each one. We're gonna drizzle some cheese on this. Just like that. Bam! So if you want to add a little extra kick to it, we're gonna put some chopped serrano, which is very spicy, and I love spicy, so just like that. And if you're feeding these to a hot guy, put some more so he can sweat. Boom! So now we're gonna put these in at 350, and while these cook, I'm going to show you how to make my favorite margarita. Now the best margarita has 3 simple ingredients: tequila, Cointreau, and lime juice. Now we're going to start with a rim job. There you go. Now we're going to add crushed ice in the margarita glass. You gotta tap it in the butt. We're going to pour 2 ounces of my favorite Amorada tequila. And now we're going to add an ounce of Cointreau. And we're going to squeeze some lime in there. Now that we got it all mixed together, we're going to put some here. And we're going to shake your bonbon, shake your bonbon. It's been 10 minutes, so our enchiladas are ready. Time to pull out. It smells good. Top garnish and enjoy with your favorite sides. Thank you so much for watching. Salud. Get this recipe and many more in Weslo's Home-O-Erotic Cookbook, available online and in select stores.